The last thing we will look at in this section is that of infinite loops. An infinite loop is a loop that runs forever. Let me change the while loop to have true in our program. So we are going to run this. Let me just run this for you. So we have this. We have a program like this, command. So while true, command equals to input. Then we have that label, print echo, then command. So every time when you run this program, as you can see here, you run in the terminal. So if I type anything, let's even type Python, echo Python. If I type quit, it will echo quit. If I type quit in capital letters, it will continue echoing that. So this is an infinite loop. This is an infinite loop. So when you run the program, it will run forever because while is always true. In order to break from the command, we can add a break statement. This is how we'll add a break statement. So we have this command, which you write. So let's add if command dot lower is equals to quit, like that, then we break from that. So let's see this. So let us run this again like this, up.py. Then we say, maybe we type anything. But if we say quit, it will quit like that. Now that we have an infinite loop, we no longer have to define a variable command. We needed this because we had a while statement like before. So we no longer have to define the command that, so you can remove the command. Now that we have an infinite loop, we no longer have to define a command and set it to an empty string. In terms of functionality, we have the program defined exactly the way we defined it before. Beware of infinite loops as they run forever. Have a way to jump out of them. This will cause issues. This is because if you're running programs that consume computer resources like memory, it will take a lot of time and a lot of resources, and it will consume programmers and the users' time. Programs in such cases run out of memory and crash.